Starting an online business? Success doesn't happen overnight. It follows a journey. That journey is called the sales funnel. It begins when people first discover you, maybe through an ad or a social post. Once they notice you, curiosity kicks in. They click, watch, or visit your site to learn more. As they explore, trust starts to build. Maybe they sign up for a newsletter, download a guide, or send an inquiry. These small actions show they're considering you seriously. When that trust is strong enough, they take action, making a purchase and becoming your customer. But it doesn't end there. Happy customers leave reviews, share your business, and keep coming back, turning into loyal fans. And that's the sales funnel, a step-by-step path that guides strangers into loyal customers. From awareness to loyalty, each stage builds towards growth. Ready to build yours? Let Zoe Webbs help you start today.